Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're going to do an install and review video on the brand new BlackVue DR970X 2-channel dash cam. And it's so new that it's actually not even on the market yet. It's coming out in March of 2023. I will put a link below when it does get on market so you can check it out. But today I'm going to tell you about it. We'll do a quick install on the Mach-E and then I'll show you how it performs. Now there is a new app that's coming out for the camera, so I'm not even going to show you that, because it's not coming out until it's released, but I will show you the image quality, and it is an improvement in image quality compared to the DR900 series that I have on my Supra. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let me quickly show you what everything comes with in the boxes. Now, the DR970X has improved image quality due to a better sensor use. So that's where the upgrade comes from. Otherwise, it's very similar to your DR900X that I actually have in my Supra. Now, of course, the front camera is 4K. It records 4K at 30 frames a second. The rear one is still 1080p. At 30 frames. You get the memory card. In this case, I have the 64 gigabyte one, and that gets inserted into the camera. And as you can see here, it says full HD. And as you can see the back here with the lights and 4K Ultra HD, this end has all of your connections, and it's also where you put your memory card slot. But that power cord, and this is also a USB port to attach a SIM card if you want to. And that is over here. There's a SIM card module, and that is optional as well. I don't believe I'm going to use that today, but that is an option as well if you want to be able to connect to your camera when you're not in a Wi-Fi zone. But anyway, the other accessories that come with the camera, you have your cigarette lighter, power cord, and then a hardwire power cord, which you can tap fuses in your vehicle. This wire connects the two together. Then we have the new battery pack, and this is the Power Magic Ultra Battery B-130X. It's a pretty hefty unit. It will power the camera for up to 30 hours. It also has on the side here an extra USB port if you need to power something, a personal device, when your vehicle power is off. It has inputs for the camera and to charge the battery. This, of course, will be charging off your vehicle's battery when the vehicle's powered on. And there's different ways to connect here. You can use a cigarette lighter as well, or you can hardwire this piece to your vehicle as well. Now for my vehicle, I'm probably not going to hardwire it unless it provides for a little cleaner installation. I'm not sure yet. But yes, that's everything that comes with these. And of course, there's user manuals as well. I will put links below for these in the description. All right, guys, I installed the cameras in the vehicle, and as you can see from the driver's seat, you can barely see them, which is awesome. I have the rear-facing camera positioned right here. Now, a lot of people will put the rear-facing camera on the rear window, and that's fine if you want to do that. I like to get people's reactions and everything. Now, the front-facing camera is behind the rear view mirror, and you still have good access to it, but it is blocked by the rear view mirror, so I like that hidden look. But let me show you how I ran the wire. Okay, so you can see how the cameras are wired now from the passenger side. This is the power cord, and I'll show you how it's run, but this is the rear camera cord, and I just have it looped around the back of the rear view mirror and then up to the rear facing camera. But otherwise you would have to string this along the whole rear of the vehicle. And for the power cord, I have it run all the way around the windshield, coming down along the side A-pillar, down behind the dash here. Push that in a little more. Coming all the way down underneath. I loosened the fuse panel here to get the wires across. I'll fix that in a minute. But all the way around and down, and then this is where I put the battery pack. There's a nice little shelf under the center console, and it's a pretty big pack, so it doesn't really fit anywhere else. I did try the center console itself, but it doesn't fit in there. It also doesn't fit into the glove box. So it just, there's a nice rubber pad there. I have it sitting there, and then I run the power cord right in to the 12 volt in the center console here. So that'll charge the battery when the vehicle is on, but otherwise this battery will be powering the cameras, including when it's in parking mode. So that is how I have it run. You can do different options. Like I said, you can wire it to the vehicle, all that sort of thing, but I found a clean enough installation where I didn't have to do that. All right, guys, here you can see some footage from the new DR970X dash cam in my Mach-E, and you can see how crisp the 4K image is, even in this HDR situation with the light and dark. And here you can clearly read the plates of both vehicles in both lanes. This is parking mode with the rear facing camera. I have this footage sped up, but it records anytime there is motion, or you can only set it up to record if it detects an impact. And this is the front facing camera, again, set up to record motion, but you can also set it up just for impact. And again, this footage is sped up. But you can also set up the camera to record a time lapse to save memory. And here is some footage at night, which again, you can read both plates of both cars in both lanes, and that is attributed to the new sensor with increased low lighting abilities. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you have a dash cam and which one you have. Give this video a like and check out more Mach-E videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.